Thanks to HIV communities who coined the game-changing phrase U equals U or undetectable equals untransmittable to make science simpler to understand for everyone. When people with HIV have undetectable viral load, then the HIV virus is untransmittable, and also people stay healthy, lead normal lives, and help to end stigma and discrimination. Manoj is inching towards completing 30 years of living with the HIV virus, healthy, positive, and doing as much as possible to ensure that every person with HIV remains healthy too. Manoj co-founded Network of Maharashtra People with HIV in 2001 and later co-founded National Coalition of People Living with HIV in India. Daksha Patel has been living with HIV since 1999. She chose to openly share her HIV status so that no person living with HIV should become invisible and unheard of because of myths and misconceptions and stigma. Daksha counts on her blessings and strengths to be among the founders of the Gujarat State Network of People Living with HIV, as well as the National Coalition of People Living with HIV in India. 25 years ago, M. Sudarshan Reddy was diagnosed with HIV. That was the year 2000. Since then, he has been regularly taking life-saving antiretroviral medicines with adherence. He maintains good hygiene and follows a healthy lifestyle. Since 2006, he has been serving the HIV community and sharing his journey to inspire others. 25 years ago, Prashant Yende was diagnosed with HIV. He says that he got a new life when he came in touch with Network of Maharashtra People with HIV in 2001. Peer counseling, psychosocial support, and health and treatment literacy helped Prashant rebuild his life with confidence and dignity. In 2004, he established district-level network with local HIV community members. In 2009, he shouldered the responsibility to work with the state network. He is also involved with NCPI+. Tarit Chakrabarti from West Bengal has been living with HIV since the last 25-26 years when he was first diagnosed. He started receiving life-saving antiretroviral therapy since 2007. Today he is healthy and happy and has risen to shoulder responsibility of helping others with HIV. Sadhana Jadhav hails from Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh and was diagnosed with HIV in 2003. The same year she lost her husband. Anchored to her faith deep within, she not only took good care of herself but also joined hands with other local people with HIV. In 2005, they collectively formed the district-level network. Soon after, she was elected as Vice President of the state-level network, and currently she leads NCPI Plus as its President. 15 years ago, at the age of 21, Feli heard the words, "You are HIV positive." Her world shook, but those hardships became her strength in due time. She said that through courage, knowledge, and self-belief, and encouragement from kind people, she has rebuilt her confidence. She rose to find Mizoram State Positive Network or MCPN. She learned that HIV does not define her. She says, "I define me." Pooja Mishra was diagnosed with HIV in 2010. Back then, fear and uncertainty hounded her, but she refused to give up. With her inner resolve and with regular adherence to antiretroviral therapy, self-care and support, she has rebuilt her life step by step. She said, "I want everyone to remember that HIV is not the end. It is just a chapter." Manitosh Ghildyal was diagnosed with HIV 12 years back in 2013. He is a proud survivor of HIV and tuberculosis both. With timely treatment, care and determination, he has rebuilt his life and has chosen to speak openly so he can help break stigma and misinformation and handhold others to tide through the tribulations he had to go through once himself. Rahul Kumar Singh from Ludhiana, Punjab was diagnosed with HIV in 2017. Thanks to life-saving antiretroviral medicines, he is living a healthy and happy life today. In 2019, he started working with vulnerable communities, and in 2020, they collectively formed Prayas Network of Positive People Welfare Society. We salute the grit, determination, and never say die attitude who have turned a once called death sentence into a life full of hope and encouragement and are helping others to end AIDS.